Update, shall we?
I don't get it.
Elisa.
Are you guys being a bunch of cochinos?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Anything happening with the rates?
El hombre.
Yeah. Okay. So you know how like everything was bottoming out, and then we saw a little tick up. Well, they're starting to settle back down, and they did end a little bit lower than last week. So conventional 30-year fix, we're down to 3.9%. 15 years, 3.17, and the 5-1R is actually the only one that actually went up to 2.83, and these are all national averages. FHA 30-year fixed at 4%, VA 30-year fixed at 4 1/8, and CHDAP 3 1/4.
CHDAP.
Holding steady.
You're going to talk about the big CHDAP news?
Ooh, we got
that came out
CHDAP
this
news
week?
before we get into the mortgage update. There's CHDAP news.
Some CHDAP.
Dun, 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 CHDAP.
Well,
CHDAP.
go ahead, Scott.
What happened?
You brought it up.
What happened with CHDAP?
Okay, CHDAP used to require
Did it change?
It did CHDAP changed. That was good. That was really good.
Oh, my
For being
goodness.
this early on a Saturday, that was sweet.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
This is not early, Scott.
Try the veal.
It is
for
for
us.
him. Yeah. Okay, so anyhow, CHDAP changed.
CHDAP changed.
The borrower used to be required to have 1% of their own funds in order to use it. So 3.5% down payment on an FHA, 3% from CHDAP.
CHDAP.
And you had to bring in 1% of your own funds. That's gone.
Which wasn't too bad, but now it's even
It's
better.
gone.
Yeah.
So it's gone.
So you don't have to bring in any of your own funds?
No. So you have
Shut
to
the
have
front door.
If you get the funds from a it has to be an acceptable gift source, but
Family
Dad.
member.
Mom
Family
and
member.
Dad.
yeah,
Family member.
or employer
Yeah.
an employer housing program or 401k or
But
something like that.
that doesn't happen too often.
Yeah, so 3.5% down payment required, 3% CHDAP, borrow 0.5%, and you're in the home for no money out of your own pocket.
Dang. Bonus coverage, ladies and gentlemen, of the
Dun, dun,
CHDAP
dun.
changes.
Bonus.
What's the
It just
magic
got better.
word today?
When the secret word is coming.
CHDAP change. I think it should be change.
Change. Yeah, you have to be able to spell change.
Or search secret word on the website.
There you go. Search secret word on keepingitre.com. Okay.